Hello everyone, I'm Bert Schulze and this is my digital twin. When you trace the evolution of SAP S4 HANA Cloud Public Edition, a pattern emerges. Every release compounds our momentum of continuous innovation on a solid core. We've broadened business scope, deepened our ecosystem, simplified upgrades, and scaled across industries and regions. With the 2608 release, we're taking the next confident step. Introducing the autonomous enterprise at SAP Sapphire, Business AI moves from concept to companion. Not a driver, but an intelligent coworker embedded in the ERP experience. It helps the business user work faster and smarter while they stay firmly in control. The best decisions still come from people. AI simply helps them get there sooner. We started introducing SAP-managed scenarios with 2602 release and are progressing with more scenarios where SAP is taking care of the setup and interoperability across the suite of solutions for the customers. The first end-to-end processes in hire-to-retire and operational procurement are available in early adopter care mode, and we are incorporating more products in 2608. Marking our 35th major release in SaaS ERP, we're pairing business AI with continued substantive progress across the core of the business: finance and manufacturing, engineering and workplace safety, and professional services. All that keeps our customers' business moving. In this video, I would like to highlight the innovations that stood out the most to me. Let's start with business AI. Across our product, we're introducing specialized AI assistants and agents that automate routine tasks, provide intelligent recommendations, and support users in their everyday work. One of my user experience highlights in 2608 is the AI-assisted Easy Fill. Instead of manually entering information from emails, meeting notes, or phone calls into ERP transactions, users can simply describe the business update in natural language. SAP automatically populates the relevant fields, making data entry faster, more intuitive, and less prone to errors. It's a great example of how business AI is simplifying everyday work and making SAP S4 HANA Cloud Public Edition easier to use. Now let's turn to finance. Anyone who's worked in this function knows how much time disappears into matching and clearing open receivables and payables. With our new Receivables and Payables clearing agent, that work changes fundamentally. It analyzes open items, proposes balanced clearing entries, explains every recommendation, and once approved, supports automated posting. The outcome: a faster, more accurate clearing process that lifts finance productivity and helps shorten the close. Manufacturing is another space where AI moves the needle. Our new production planning and operations agent equips supervisors to manage orders with greater confidence. It automatically checks component availability, flags scheduling conflicts, and even supports order release via natural language. By cutting routine manual work and surfacing the right insights at the right time, it lifts productivity, reduces downtime, and keeps operations running smoothly. Another innovation focuses on workplace safety and regulatory compliance. The new Maintain and View Hazardous Substance Inventory applications provide a centralized view of hazardous substances, associated products, and safety information across the enterprise. This helps organizations strengthen compliance, improve workplace safety, and manage safety-critical information more efficiently. Let's close with professional services. The redesigned time recording app brings a modern, consistent experience across desktop and mobile, with flexible entry, bulk edits, and personalized views that make logging project time fast and effortless. The payoff is clear: more accurate timesheets, less administrative work, and stronger billing and resource planning. Those are my key innovations of the 2608 release. I'm keen to hear what matters most to you. On one hand, we're expanding the possibilities of business AI with intelligent assistants and specialized agents. On the other, we're doubling down on the core capabilities that help organizations run better every day. I hope this introduction gave you some appetizers of what's new and spotlighted a few innovations you'll want to explore further. For deeper insights, read the blog linked below and join the conversation on SAP Community to share which innovations you're most excited about. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next release.